Grabe, pre, laki naman ng kwarto mo. Parang kasya, 20 tao rito. Alam mo, Ryan, kahit kailan napaka-OA mo talaga. 15 lang yung kasya. Tss. Wait, may PC set ka? Ganda, no? Hindi lang yun, naka-Asus ROG peripherals ka pa. Uy, ako lang to. Pre, alam mo bang pangarap ko yung mga yan? Nag-research talaga ako tungkol dyan. Ganda pala sa personal niyan. I mean, look at this ROG Falchion low-profile keyboard. Very sleek in design, has interactive touch panel, may volume and media control, you can adjust the brightness and has functions pa. The optical switch has consistent key press and more durable na kahit magdabog ka habang naglalaro. Kayang-kaya yan. Itong ROG Carries 2 Origin has an impeccable style. May 3-zone RGB lighting and ergonomic design para mas maayos ang grip. Hindi kumpleto ang gaming experience kapag walang headphones. This is the ROG Palta, a tri-mode wireless headset. May breathable mesh fabric ear cushions, wideband boom microphone, 3-level adjustable elastic headband, and meron pang wireless USB-C. And to complete the setup, meron tayong ROG Scabbard 2 gaming mousepad. This is a water, oil, and dust repellent surface. Non-slip and aesthetic pa. Baka sign mo na to na bumili ng mga ganyan. Sign ko na nga to. Sign na to para arborin lahat ng ROG peripherals mo. Alam mo, sige na. Umuwi ka na, baka hinahanap ka na ng nanay mo. Wala na ako nanay. Umuwi ka na lang, baka hinahanap ka na ng sarili mo eh. Wait lang! Palaro ako isa lang. Well, look who's here. Oh my gosh, a mean girl. Hello po, I'm Alisa and I've been wanting to talk to someone who's mean. My name is Sophia. But, what? Tapos alam niyo po ba kapag masama na yung mga sinasabi mo sa akin, some Prince Charming will step into our conversation tapos hihilahin niya ako and then poprotektahan niya ako from you. Tapos kapag malayo na kami, bigla siyang titigil tapos he will cup both of my cheeks and then ask me if I'm okay. Tapos ako naman, maiiyak kasi yung yung actions niya sobrang genuine and sweet. Ano ba yung mga pagsasabi mo? Ay, sorry, na-addict kasi ako sa Wattpad this past few weeks kaya my imagination is my limit. Wait, alam mo yung Wattpad? Oo naman, nirecommend sa akin yun ng friend ko. Girl, I love Wattpad. I don't know why, but scrolling through Wattpad at 2 a.m. just hits different. I mean, nakahiga ka sa kama, tahimik yung kwarto, tapos feeling mo nandun ka sa loob ng story na binabasa mo. Kakatapos ko lang basahin itong story nito wherein the mean girl turned into a kind girl tapos tumutulong na siya sa mga ibang tao. I feel like I'm portraying that character. Seryoso ba yan? Oh my gosh, alam mo ba, ang tagal ko nang naghahanap ng someone with the same interest as me. Pwede ka ba mag-recommend ng mga stories na tearjerker, comedies, tapos yung mga stories na may vibes? I got you. Nag-customize ako ng reading list for easier access. I have 8 there. He's into her season 1, Knock Knock Professor, Haunted, The Playboy's Karma, In the Wilderness, Solandi's Flame of Desire, Never Let Me Go, and Night of Waterfalls. Sabi Sofia, hulog ka yata ng langit. Need ko ayusin yung budget pero may event pa next week. Tapos di pa approve yung proposal. Pero urgent na kasi. If di ma-approve, madedelay ako. Okay ka pa? Gusto mo ba mag-dinner? Parang di ko na kaya lumabas. Sus, kahit wag na lumabas kasi may all-new Jollibee app na.
At dahil bagong-bago to, you can now enjoy promos like free delivery for a minimum spend of 400 pesos, free peach mango pa, and free Chicken Joy Super Meal para sa mga new users. Kaya naman don't miss this chance. Download the all-new Jollibee app.
Masaya na yarn. Sir? Jollibee po? Hey. Hi girls! Have you seen my vlog? Oh my gosh, yes! Super ganda ng Barcelona. Alam mo, feeling ko nandun ako kasama ka. Tapos yung mga haul ng mga clothes mo. Girl, ang gastos in fairness ha. I just spent 700,000 pesos. Sa mga bags mo pa lang, mabubutas na yung wallet mo. Ano ka ba, Kara? Never mabubutas yung wallet ko. Dad just transferred a lot of money in my bank account, so why not spend it, right? Tapos alam niyo ba, munti ko pang awayin yung friend ng cousin ko kasi I wanna buy a bag in red and blue. Tapos bigla siyang humirit ng, one bag is enough. Nakakairita, di ba? Pakilamera? I know, that's such a poor people word. Excuse me? Come on, Jamie. If you settle for one, it shows that you can afford more and nakakalungkot yon. Wait, na-offend ka ba? Baka hindi mo rin afford. The heck, Denise?
Just kidding. I have pasalubongs for you girls. There is a car.
Yo, Denise, this party is great. I mean, how did you even get us this entire beach?
Philip, my dad is the mayor. He closed it for maintenance on paper, but in reality, it's my playground for the weekend.
That's cool. Anyway, my dad wants to know if your father could help us with some permits sa construction namin. Ang tagal kasi ma-approve sa City Hall eh.
Oh, please. Daddy signs the paper faster than he reads them. Just give me the documents and, I'll have them stamped tomorrow. Basta you know the kapalit, ha?
Pera ba?
Money, gifts, vacations, favors, call it whatever you like. Daddy prefers tokens of gratitude. And trust me, without that, your papers will stay buried under City Hall dust.
Wala bang makakaalam?
Makakaalam? Our family has been running things like this for generations. It's not just politics, it's a dynasty. I mean, hindi magiging mayor si dad by playing fair, and neither did his father before him. Every favor, every token of gratitude, every little shortcut, it all keeps the family on top.
Oh,
Philip, lahat tayong mayayaman, especially my family, rules aren't meant for us. We own them. We bend, we twist, even break them, and no one dares to fight back. I mean, that's the beauty of it. People still think the system works when really the city, it's already ours. And it always will be. Kapag gustuhin ko tumakbo ako mayor, for sure mananalo ako, but just wanna enjoy my dad's money. I wanna enjoy the people's money. If you know what I mean.
your family is
Corrupt,
and cool.
but powerful. My siblings and my whole family are very privileged. Permits approved before anyone sees them. Private islands for vacations. Designer wardrobes. So Philip, kung gusto mo mapabilis sa mga bagay-bagay, tandaan, power isn't given. It's inherited. And enjoy it.
Oh,
Have you seen the news? Ang lala ng baha ngayon. Oh my gosh, good thing I'm living in a condo where everything is accessible.
tone deaf.
What?
Ang insensitive lang pakinggan knowing na sinasabi ni Kara na grabe yung baha, under pa mismo sa leadership ng daddy mo, Denise.
So?
Ano show?
Bakit parang sinisisi mo ko, Jamie? Come on, hindi ko naman kasalanan na binabaha sila. Hindi na rin responsibility ni Daddy na umulan na sobra. Like, he's not God, he's the mayor. And besides, people exaggerate. Kung talaga nahihirapan sila, maybe they should have prepared better. Or, dapat nagtrabaho sila na sobra para nakatira sila sa condo like me.
Wow! So convenient, no? Pagdating sa mga donations, credit sa daddy mo. Pero pagdating sa mga baha at paghihirap, biglang, he's not God.
Stig. Selective accountability. What are you implying ba? Sira na araw ko. 4 countries in 1 month.
Girl, you are insane. Sobrang yaman mo.
Ganun talaga kapag mayor yung daddy ko. Just kidding! E di nag-business class ka na naman. Of course! Pero nagkaroon ng problema nung una, nakaka-stress. My dad's assistant was so stupid. I think she was trying to sabotage me. She put me in the economy class. Economy. Can you even imagine that? I mean, I'm not sitting in the economy like a regular person. Duh!
Pero di ba may private jet kayo? Bakit hindi na lang yun yung ginamit nyo?
Private jet? Oh. Daddy, please, let me use our private jet.
Denise, hindi nga pwede. Mainit mga mata sa akin ng mga kasamahan ko. Parang natunugan na kasi nila na I didn't even distribute the donations that I got from them ng bagyo. Sa mata nila, binulsa ko lahat ng mga yun.
Which is true. Kinwento mo kaya sa amin ni mommy yun? Tapos, diba, Daddy, I got a quarter of that donation.
At hindi nila pwedeng malaman yun. You know what? Maglaylo ka muna sa mga travels or sa pag-shopping mo. Stay away from social media as well dahil maraming sumasabit ng politicians dahil sa mga stubborn children nila.
Kainis naman.
But don't worry, idadivert ko yung attention nila by visiting the orphanage. Kailangan ko muna magpakitang tao. Makinig ka muna sa akin ngayon, Denise.
Dad!
End of discussion.
The private jet was not available kasi parang may naayos yata. But anyway, I was so much sa assistant talaga. Parang gusto niya akong pahirapan.
Just be grateful na nakakapag-travel ka. Also, upgrades are limited. Baka she put you in the economy class kasi naubusan na.
Stupid pa rin siya. And Jamie, for the love of someone, this is my grateful face, okay? So manahimik ka na lang if you don't have anything nice to say. You're always trying to be a bad friend, right, Kara?
I'm not trying to be a bad friend. I'm just saying na hindi lahat ng tao nakakapag-travel. Also, your dad's assistant was just doing her job. Oh, please, Jamie, don't preach to me. Hindi ko fault na my life is better. That's just how the world works. Some are born to suffer, some are born, well, like me. Yeah, born with the taxpayers' money. Ano sabi mo? My dad works hard for the city. Works hard, wala nga natatapos sa projects under his leadership. Be for real, Denise. Dad, ikaw ba yung tinutukoy sa news?
Ayon sa kasalukuyang investigasyon, limpak-limpak na pondo ng lungsod na nakalaan para sana sa infrastruktura, kalusugan at social programs ay umano'y nailihis sa mga pribadong account na konektado sa mayor ng lungsod na to. Nagkalat ang mga peking dokumento, ghost projects at kaliwat kanan sa buhatan ng mga kontratista. Wala pa ring pahayag mula sa tanggapan ng mayor habang nananawagan naman ang mga mamamayan ng pananagutan. Jessica Rivera, nag-uulat.
Dad, paano na ako? Paano na kami nila, Mommy? It's also all over the social media. Binubuli na nila ako sa comment section. Akala ko ba walang makakaalam? Don't worry, anak. I'll fix this, okay? Babayaran ko lang sila and besides, kakampi natin yung gobyerno. Lilipas din yan, matatabunan ng ibang issues, makakalimutan ng mga tao. I've been trying to call you but you girls are not answering the phone. My gosh, I'm glad I found you here. I need comfort. Kasi hindi maganda yung morning ko. Like, people are so gullible. They are all over my comment section saying my family is corrupt. Naniniwala sila masyado sa fake news. Bias naman itong mga cheap journalists na to. Hindi ba? Jamie. Huh? Hindi ba totoo? Stop being clueless. Aware ka. Alam yung lahat yan. Tsaka hindi lang yan sabi-sabi, Denise. May audit, may documents, may evidence. Alam mo, Jamie, kontrabida ka talaga. These so-called documents are probably for my dad's enemies. You know how politics works and my dad is respected. Hindi siya corrupt. Kaya lang naman nagtagal yan daddy mo kasi binibili niya lahat ng mga dapat magsalita. Officials, media, and even voters. And you? Isa kang poster child ng nakaw na yaman. Yung mga relief goods at mga donations na para sa mga nasalanta, ayun. Napunta dyan sa closet nyo as designer bags, designer shoes, and designer clothes. Yung kalsadang dapat tapos na, ayun, binabahanan naman, sira na naman kasi bulok yung materials na ginamit eh. Do you think you're better than me? Oo, kasi hindi naman kami kumakain ng isang pagkain na galing sa nakaw. Hindi kami natutulog sa isang kama na binili gamit yung perang dapat pambayad sa ospital. Hindi kami bumabiyahe or nagta-travel gamit ang isang private jet na galing sa buwis ng isang taong naglalakad araw-araw dahil walang maayos na public transportation. Jamie, you're so cruel. Alam mo, Denise, kung iniisip mo na luxury defines you, wake up. You're not powerful. You're pitiful. You only shine just because your family steals the electricity. Kapag bumagsak na yung pamilya mong corrupt, especially your dad, you'll be left with nothing but the shame of his name. Piece of advice, Kara. Pwede ka pang magbago. Pwede pang magbago isip mo. Don't let her buy you. Kara?